you are losing your money in the non-directional option selling, this video is for you. Why? Because option selling involves great advantages in our favor. But when the direction is very strong in the market, non-directional option sellers would lose money in the markets. That's why I came up with the directional option selling strategies here. Let's see what is directional option selling. When you know the direction of the market with the higher probability, then you take the trades with respect to the direction of the trend, then this is called directional option selling. I think you have to understand more. So let's get into this video and let me explain what is non-directional traders or option sellers facing problems. Now, if you understand the problems of non-directional option sellers facing, you would have understand the directional option selling advantages. Let's get into the video. The problems for non-directional option sellers. See, I'm here with the charts. When I show you anything with the charts, you will be able to understand this. For example, if you are a non-directional option seller, you think that within some range within 200 points you are going to, the market is going to stay in the markets. This is your view, and you enter with non-directional option selling strategies called strangles like that. Now, what happens sometimes? The index has a strong direction due to some news in the market or some other good news in the market, bad news in the market. So, the day the index is trending in one direction, all the profits you have earned for the week, for the month is going to lose on that particular day if you don't manage your trade, if you don't adjust your trade effectively. Okay, in order to adjust the trade, you need lakhs of rupees to earn money from the markets. Why? Because being an option seller needs 1.6 lakhs for Bank Nifty, trading in Bank Nifty, and 1.1 lakh for Nifty. If you fail to adjust your do your adjustments, it is very tough to make profit from the markets, because small profits earned from the option selling would lose one single day during the trending markets like this. So I have a solution for you to be to gain profits from the market even though it is trending or it is staying sideways. Isn't it amazing to know about such type of strategies with directional option selling? Yes, I'm here with Cpr Strategies, where I will explain about the directional option selling. If it is moving sideways, if it is trending like big candles, green candles or red candles, any direction, you are going to make money most of the time. As you are watching this video, I would like to say option selling is something when the index is staying sideways, theta decay will help the option sellers to make money. Okay, option buyers will make money during this trending moves, as well as option sellers will make money during the sideways market like this. I am here with a strategy or a system where you can apply for option buying or option selling. But this video is particularly for option selling, so I would like to address details of option selling. Let's go here in the mind map and see what I have to explain. And I think the problems for non-directional traders you have understood. During the trending markets, non-directional traders have to firefight with the market. They need lakhs of rupees to do the adjustments like that. So I have a solution for that, which I have already discussed with you, that is called directional selling with Cpr strategies. Now, what is directional selling? When you look at the charts like this, when you look at the charts and you know with your system the trend is strong and it is going to be move erratically or move with the momentum. or without momentum. Everything will be known with the CPR pivot point strategies. See here. What are the benefits of using directional option selling with CPR strategies? Let's go to today's chart and I will explain what happened today. As I am recently moving from option buying to option selling, due to some reasons I have to withdraw my amount from the Demat account. So for some period of time I act as an option buyer, but today onwards I am purely a option seller. Why? Because option selling has the higher advantage. Now, let me explain my trade here and you will understand what is the importance of directional option selling here. So, now I will tell you what is the reason for taking the trade today. See here, this is the red candle and this red candle is taking resistance from these two lines. What are these two lines? I will show you what are these two lines. See, I have done a video on this earlier and posted in the YouTube channel. Also, you can watch it if you want. See, this is the head and shoulder pattern formed in Bank Nifty. And I have already told that if it breaks this line, this red and green lines, we are going to see some bearishness in the market like this. And then again there is a chance to come the price till here, to retrace till here, and there is going to be a fall from here. This is the high probability trade setup, bearish trade setup, which I have done an exclusive video on this head and shoulders pattern. You can watch it in my you can watch it through description link. Okay, now this is the place where it is taking resistance today. See, this is the same line, head and shoulders touch point line. When it is taking resistance from this line, and I know that there is going to be a bearish move in the market. Okay, this is the reason why I want to take the trade in the bearish view. Let's go to 5-minute time frame and see where is my entry and how I exited. What is the reason for the exit? Everything will be discussed here. See, this is the candle, red candle, and I wanted to be bearish in the market. Okay, now by the close of this candle, see, by the close of this candle I have entered the markets. Okay, why? Because it is rejecting from the R2 resistance, like this is rejecting from the R2 resistance, and I know that there is going to be some bearish action in the market because of this red candle. Okay, because of this resistance from the swing low and the head and shoulders pattern break. Okay, so what I have done here is, after the close of this 940 candle, I have entered the market placing my stop loss here above the candle. Okay, my stop loss above the candle, today little bit high stop loss. I ignored it. Why? Because theta decay will manage all these small fluctuations. So I ignored some 7 points here. Usually I take with 40 points stop loss and I aim to take the profits in the next pivot. So what happens here? Now you can see the advantage here of by being a directional option seller here. See, I know that there is going to be a bearish move in the market. So what happens here? I enter here and I know there are higher chances to the price to come to the next pivot. Now, if I am a option buyer, what would have happened in the markets? If I am a option buyer, this spike will take my stop losses. Okay, this candle will take my stop loss and I would have been in the losses for today. Now, this is the advantage of being a option seller. even though it has moved above my stop loss point, my stop loss didn't trigger today. I will show you in the terminal also, brokerage app also, which I am using Kotak Securities. And see here, this candle didn't take my stop loss because I have some theta decay in my advantage. Okay, then it has been in a bearish move. Okay, and it reached my stop loss, target area. And why I exited at the point somewhere here? Why? Because there is a reason for that. Whatever we do in the markets, there should be some reason to act according to the market, like that. Why? Because I know that whenever there is a gap up opening and it comes to the R1 resistance, there are higher chances to the price to bounce back like this. Okay, earlier I used to trade this strategy, and see here, I know that there are chances. I don't know at this point of time whether it is moving like this or it is moving downwards like this. Okay, whether it is moving like this or it is moving downwards like this, I don't know. Nobody knows about it, but the probability, I know the probability, so I act upon it. Why? Because I just want 1:2 risk reward every single day. Because most of the time the markets are in sideways. When you aim for more than 1:2 risk reward, there are higher chances to trigger your stop losses. So I don't play the game with the greed, the fear, not like that. I play the game with the system, with the strategy, with completely neutral mindset. Okay, when I take the trade, I don't expect that is going to be a successful trade, that is going to be a failure trade. No, I act according to the pre-market analysis, according to the intuition at that point. I take my decisions. Okay, this is the one thing any trader needs to have. We have to solve a unique puzzle every single day. You should not say like, I will do this, I will do that every single time. Not like that. When you apply your intuition to the markets along with your hard work, pre-market analysis, there are higher chances to make money from the markets. Now here, at this point of time, I have 1:2 risk reward. I will show you in the terminal also. See where it is. See, I just traded with one lot because after a long period of time I am using the option selling. When I do anything new in the markets for a long after a long time, I do with minimum lots, or I gradually increase it in order to gain some grip over the terminal or the index, because putting the stop losses for option buying is different and option selling is different. Okay, I will discuss everything in this video. Let's see here. This is the price where I have sold the call option. Okay, I have sold the call option. Why? Because I know there is going to be a bearish action here. Now I have bought this at 164.25, which is having 48 points of profit in my way. Okay, I am having the profits of 48 points. Now let's go here and analyze the option selling point here. Okay, I have discussed about the directional option selling advantages, shown you some examples of today's trade. Now if you are having a doubt that what I need to buy, whether it is a put or call, what I need to sell, if you are new to the market, you would have some confusion in this part. So I would like to clear the confusion and go into the topic little bit deeper. Okay, why? See, if you are a option buyer, option buying here, if you are a option buyer and you want to take the trade in a bullish view, expecting the market will go up, You have to buy the call. You have to buy the call. Okay. This is a little bit confusing part for new traders. You have to buy the call. If you want to be bearish in the market, being a option buyer, you have to buy put. Okay. Please write down this chart in a paper and you will understand by seeing this chart every day. See, yes, I am a option seller today and I know that the index is going to be bearish in the market. That means like this. What I should do? I sell call option. I sell call option. Okay. This is what I do. If you are wishing the market is going to be bullish, then you have to sell the put option. Being a option seller. Now let's go here and check out what I have done here. See, I have sold call option, which is an indication for bearish. Then I bought the target reached and I bought the call option. Okay. And see here. If you don't understand this, please watch it again and again. If you have grip on these things, you are going to step one by one as a option seller. So one problem I have faced during shifting from option buying to option selling is putting the stop losses. Here because there is slight difference to put the stop loss and the trigger point here. When you are a option seller, you need to put the stop loss like this. For example, you need to put the stop loss at 0.95 and the triggering price. And the triggering price should be less than the stop loss points. Okay, it should be less than the stop loss points. Okay, if you are an option buyer, when the stop loss is 0.50 and the trigger price should be higher than the stop loss points. Okay, if you face this problem, you will understand what I am saying. If it resonates with you, tell me in the comment box that you have did this mistake and you made some losses with this point. Okay. Now, I hope you understand what is the difference between directional option selling and non-directional option selling. Now let's go to the example here and I will explain the main core part of this video, because if you are a non-directional option seller and you are facing losses during this type of trending moves in the market, these strategies are for you. Cpr strategies are for you. Why? Because these are the lines which tell you what to do in the market. For example, one line will tell you go bearish here, go bullish here according to the system. I will show you something here in the charts. See, this is the R1, this is the R1 pivot, and I know that there is going to be a bullish move from this area. Okay, I know it, but I know exactly for 100%. Okay? Because this is the probability game and we need to think in probabilities. You need to make money from the markets. Okay, if there is any chance to give away the money to the market, just come out of the markets. Okay, that's why I have exited at this point and I am with 1:2 risk reward. It's a good one for me. Even though it is a small amount, I follow the system. One golden nugget here is when you understand and trade a system or a strategy, when you are investing 1 lakh or 2 lakhs, you will get the same strategy for gaining more huge amount of money. Okay, for example, I am trading this strategy with 1 lot. After 6 months, I may increase my money, lot size with more money, and I will get more money from the markets. Okay, you should do it in a certain way. Doing it in a certain way indicates success in the markets. Okay, now even though I'm even though it is trending, I'm going to make money. Even though it stays sideways, I'm going to make money. Okay, when you are an option buyer at this point, the stop loss will trigger at this candle. Okay, now the advantage of being directional option seller is you can make money even though the market is staying sideways or it is moving in your direction. Sometimes if it is above your stop loss point also, you can make money. There are three ways you can make money: even sideways, even it is moving in your direction, or it goes near your stop loss also, just above your stop loss also, your stop loss will not get triggered. On these three ways you can make money from the markets, and that too every single day. We are going to have expiry days. One day for Bank Nifty, one day for Nifty, one day for Fin Nifty, one day for Sensex. All these things will impact the option buyers. I would not say that option buyers can't make money. Option buyers can make money, but there is only one way to make money as an option buyer. I know we have so much of leverage to be an option buyer, but I suggest you to move from option buying to option selling. So you are going to be one among the top 5% traders in the world. For example, in India, because we are trading in Nifty Bank Nifty. Try to be an option seller. If not, continue with option buying, but at some point of time, be a option seller to take advantage of these three issues here. Even sideways, even in your direction, even slightly above your, in this case, it crossed above my stop loss, and even that time also I'm making money from the markets. Okay. Now, if you want to know all these things in a little bit deeper way, and you want to benefit from me as I'm nurturing my community with some advantages being in my community, like join my Facebook group or my Telegram channel for extra benefits of being with the like-minded people. Being with the like-minded people gives you the progress. Why? Because when they are doing the same things as you are doing, you will get ideas from that. Implementing those ideas will give you great edge in the market. Okay. If you want to join my Facebook or Telegram channel, the QR codes are in the thumbnail, and you can join my channels or the groups. Now, every day, every single day, I'm going to conduct a webinar on at 8 p.m. I will give the link in the description. At 8 p.m. I conduct a webinar for my subscribers, new subscribers, and if they want to learn about from me, they can attend the webinar. They will get the awareness about the system. And if you like my content, you can join my course. The course link also is in the description. If you join the course, you would be able to be as a option buyer, as a option seller, whatever may be the situation. The edge is in your side with the CPR strategies. CPR strategies are something that gives a great probability to be with the side of the market. When you are with the market, you will make money. When you are against the market, you will lose money. That too, if you are an option seller, I definitely suggest you to attend this webinar, join my course. Why? Because you will get greater edge in the long run. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video, and I know if you are watching this video till this moment, you are going to attend my webinar today 8 p.m. Thank you so much.